Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you a fun and easy 3D wall art decor that I'm going to make. So let's get into the items that we'll be using. Okay, I have some glitter paper here that I got from the Dollar Tree. Just sheets of glitter. And we have a canvas board here. It's 16 by 20. And I got that from Dollarama, but any local art store will have canvas boards that you can use. And we have the silver plastic card rings here from the Dollar Tree. And I have these gems here in the different sizes that you can get from Walmart. I got mine from Dollarama. And we have the silver paint here. And I have these gemstones that I also got from Dollar Tree. And we have our tools and our glue gun. Alright everyone, let's get started. Okay, we're just going to start by painting our canvas board all silver. Now with our glitter paper, what I did is I just traced out, I just drew a petal from a flower, just, up and down, and then I cut it out, and I'm going to use it and trace all the rest of the petals that I need to use for this art decor. So I'm just going to trace them, cut them out. Use your scissors and just cut them out. And then here are the petals that I have. We'll be using that on our design. Here's our canvas all dried, painted with the silver. So now we're going to take the card holders that I have here, and we're just going to use the base of one of them. I took off the round part, and we're going to use the base. And we're going to place it in the center of our canvas and glue it down with our glue gun. Now we're going to take the petals of our flowers and place them going all around, and then just glue them down with the glue gun. Now we're going to take our small gems and glue them going around the center of the flower, just to add some more bling. I'm going to take one of our stone gems and just glue it into the center of the flower. Where the base was open, just glue the gem right in there. Now we're going to take the rings from the card holders and just place them all over our canvas in a pattern. And then we're going to use the hot glue gun and glue them down. Tell me where he gone. Tell me why you may not hear. Tell me why isn't he here? Now I'm going to take these small gems and glue them at the bottom of every one of our little ringlets that we have. Next, we're going to add the gemstones going all over our design also. And here we go, you guys. Our quick and easy, fun 3D wall decor art. I think it looks very nice. I love how the flower stands out in the center. And our ringlets and our little gemstones. Everything just stands out really nice with a nice 3D effect. It looks really nice in person. I don't know if you can see this 3D effect so much on the camera, but it looks really nice. No, he don't recognize you. Real recognize real. And if he ain't claiming you, girl, you know you better give me, 'cause I'm waiting. Alright, everyone. I hope I've inspired you once again with a little nice, fun home decor for you guys to try. And don't forget to like and leave me a comment. Tell me what you think about it. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I come up with to share with you guys. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye bye, everyone.
Making my moves, making my moves.